It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. It's snowing. Yeah, ask me why I'm sick and why I'm walking outside to go get some fucking toilet paper right now. Huh? Yeah, I know, I'm sick. I ain't supposed to be out here. But somebody's gotta get some toilet paper, right? I need to wipe my ass. If I ain't got shit else in that house for this blizzard, damn sure need to have some damn toilet paper. That's some bullshit. You're trying to sit up there, trying to take a poo, and you ain't got nothing to wipe with. Next thing you know, you gotta use your damn washcloth. We ain't doing that. I don't do those. No. Not doing that. That's nasty too. Using a damn wash rag to wipe your butt after taking a poop. No, that's nasty. Throw that shit away. I don't give a fuck. I no washer, no dryer. Throw that shit away. Ew. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Duh. Niggas, man, niggas.